Kong Santa Mary Shylla haka arphoi tarik Risaw kala Plie paidbah ya ka 5th Edition Salesian Youth Movement Basketball Championship arhajar arpusaw kabalong madan basketball St. Anthony School Shillong. Hakani ka sngi Plie ladon ryngkat upadar Anthony Kharkongor, Director SYM, pada Returnbor Kharkongor, Youth Deligate Shillong Provice, ki khynnah skul St. Anthony sebat kiwei de. Hakani ka lympung ialehkai la pynshongshit da ka jingrwai na ki khynnah vocal student ka donbosco Youth Center Shillong. Haka sngi sdang ka jingiakhun na ka liang ki kynthei ka long hapdeng ka kynhun Shillong Labet bar ka kynhun Dubakh katba na ka liang ki shynrang ka jingiakhun ka long hapdeng ka kynhun SYM-A persha ka kynhun SDG. Hakani ka lympung ialehkai ki don khat khyndai tli ki team kynthei bat shynrang bat ka final en penlong haka arpu nyau tarik Risaw.
The presence of Madam here really inspires each one of us, and it shows her commitment for the youth and for the development of sports here in our state. All of the coaches and all of the players who are here today. We will also this act symbolizes our unity and commitment for the love of sports and the spirit of competition that transcends the entire.
Commit ourselves to the spirit of sportsmanship and unity. We pledge to compete with integrity, fair and honor the game above all. With our hearts and minds united, we take this oath to play with passion and purpose, nurturing friendship and teamwork.
The school has invited me to this 5th Salesian Youth Movement. It's an opportunity and an experience for me. I also like to thank Father Fadian from Kharkongor for being principal of donbosco Youth Center, our dignitaries who are here. I may not know all your names, but I really thank all of you here, and the teachers, the coaches, and all who are involved in this Salesian Youth Movement. Your contribution to the movement, to this youth movement, it's make a lot of difference for our sports people. So I like to thank especially the students who are here, who are encouraged to do this kind of work and to do who has taken up the interest of playing sports. I know many of us, being a parent, we may not like our children to be in sports, but this is also one opportunity for us. Sometimes, being a parent, we may say that no, you'll not get anything out of sports. But I'll tell you, in today's world, sport has become a very big topic has become a very vast topic in the whole world. It has created many lives, it has changed many lives. So my dear students, encourage your friends who are already in the game and who are already in sportsmen. Encourage them so that they can move forward, they can go ahead with their life. And also to you, being very young age, I know when you're young, you have a lot of different kinds of thoughts. You're not stable, your mind is not stable, but the opportunity doesn't come every day. It just comes once or twice. Remember to take the opportunity that you get in your life, because life is not so, it's very short. I remember when I was young also, I used to be a sports person in my school, and I would say that I used to be a basketball player also. And I find it so much, it enlightened me so much when I play sports, besides studying, because I don't like studying. But still, this sports had made my life and my health as well today has become much better. And you know, it's not only just that you play sports and you think of, oh, I'll do it for becoming healthy or doing something else. You play it with your heart. You play it it's not about winning or losing, but you play with your heart so that you will be satisfied that you played well. And you know what, today I've seen many teams, even in my own constituency, in Sutungas Saipung constituency, we have got many players, the football, the basketball team, and even the government is doing a lot of development in sports. And we are so grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister that he has given so many artificial turf in all over Meghalaya. And now our students and our sports people, they can go anywhere to play. So therefore, my dear students, remember that opportunity doesn't come every day. Take the opportunity, so grab it. This is the right time for you. And always remember, teenage will never come again. The youth life will never come again. So you should always enjoy your phase of life, and remember that God is always above. He is always there to anoint you in every way. So take these chances and keep that your youth life will always be remembered in the future.
Oi, bol. Bol tu mere.